Along with the rest of the world, World No Tobacco Day was also observed across Meghalaya today. In line with this year's theme, specific to the state, My Meghalaya, Tobacco-Free Meghalaya, different schools across the state have been carrying out rallies and street plays for the past 1 month to spread awareness of the ill effects of tobacco consumption. Here is a report.
Quit tobacco, quit smoking are just a few of the slogans written in big bold letters on placards carried by students during rallies. In Shillong, St. Anthony's Lower Primary School today took out a rally urging people to quit tobacco. According to the headmaster of the school, Father Raphael Tham has urged parents to take note of the kind of food their children consume on a daily basis.
Tamda dan kami ladai ni hale kisna ni hale kita dai kitu kisna jibale ida lagi ka khamga ma ka jing jiki ba kani kalang ka jing sotu jiki ya ka jing sni jang duma ba dia ka jing dan kam na gam ta jiki ban kian ka bala na ka jing bam na ka jing jiki.
Meanwhile, the Office of the District Health and Medical Officer Nongpo, in collaboration with the District Sports Officer Riboy District, today organized a 7-kilometer run from Dutong Nar to NSCA Indoor Hall in Nongpo. Around 120 participants took part in the marathon. In her speech, Dr. N.D. Mauri, the District Nodal Officer of Riboy, stressed the harmful and ill effects of tobacco.
So I would request teachers, especially I know that under the SSA, there are the social health welfare ambassadors who are teachers, and have a major role to play in terms of health, in terms of not only health of the children, but health of the family altogether, to think about it. And tobacco is one way it will help to improve not only the well-being of the child physically, but emotionally, mentally as well.
Similarly, in Mauplang, a total number of 120 marathoners took part in the marathon organized by the Office of the District Medical and Health Officer in collaboration with the Sinjuk Kihima Arliang Wa Omia Mauplang Welfare Society to mark this day. The senior category 16 years and above ran a 7-kilometer marathon from Lat Maureng to Mauplang, while the 10 to 15 years category ran a 4-kilometer marathon from Maungap to Mauplang. The oldest marathoner, Kmoy Walang, was also felicitated with a special award. In yet another program, a fancy dress competition was held at Science Hall Nongpo, with stress being laid on the harmful effects of tobacco. A.R. Kinta, the Assistant Deputy Commissioner, later distributed prizes and awards to the winners of the event. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
And now for the weather report.